Imagine paying your health insurance premiums diligently for years, only to find out when your parent is fighting for life in the ICU, your insurer hands you a rejection letter instead of a helping hand. Hello and welcome to NewsX. I'm Kashish Dhawan. A Delhi resident, Vijay Singh, has exposed a bitter 2-year battle with Star Health Insurance over a rejected hospitalization claim in a conversation with NewsX. Now, this revelation has triggered an explosion of outrage online and laying bare how hard-earned middle-class families are being drained by hidden clauses of insurance companies. Now, let me tell you what unfolded. It all started when Vijay had to rush his 58-year-old father Ghanshyam to Yashodha Super Speciality Hospital. The medical emergency was severe. His oxygen saturation had dropped critically low, requiring immediate ICU care, intravenous antibiotics, and rehydration. The hospital bill itself came to 2,27,384 rupees. But Vijay told NewsX that including post-discharge cost, his total out-of-pocket expenses hit around 3.5 lakh rupees, an amount that the company promised to cover but has left them struggling to recover for nearly 2 years. Now Ghanshyam, he held a Star Comprehensive Revised 2024 policy running from July 2025 to July 2026. Vijay had been paying these premiums since 2022, starting with Care Health before porting to Star Health. Over the years, that annual premium has steadily crept up to nearly 24,000 rupees. And Vijay forecasts that this renewal in 2026 will hit over 29,000. And this specific policy provided a basic sum insured of 5 lakh plus a cumulative bonus of another 5 lakh, securing a total health cover of 10 lakh rupees. Naturally, the family expected a seamless cashless treatment. Instead, Star Health rejected the cashless claim entirely. And the reason they gave has stunned policyholders across India. The insurer dug up a 26-year-old medical history of pulmonary tuberculosis, a condition Vijay told his father had fully recovered from over 2 decades ago. Star Health claimed that they could not clarify the duration of that past illness from the current documents and demanded decades-old records before they would even review a reimbursement. Now, frustrated by the back and forth during a terrifying family emergency, Vijay, he took out to X to lash at the insurer. He wrote, "Star Health support, you are a huge stain in the name of health insurance. We are middle class people, we earn money with so much difficulty, we save every single penny. Don't mislead middle class people like us by selling fake insurance policies." Vijay further told to NewsX that when he called Star Health to challenge this decision and warned he would take the matter to court, company representatives, they were bluntly responding that they were not worried and he could do whatever he wanted. Now he alleges that for nearly 2 years now, the company has sat idle, denying them their rightful claim. Like most first-time insurer purchasers, he concedes he focused entirely on the sum assured, completely ignoring the complex asterisks and restrictive clauses until it was too late. Even when Yashodha Hospital wrote directly to the insurer stating that the denial was completely unjustified given the acute nature of the medical emergency, Star Health stood its ground. But if you think Vijay Singh is an isolated case, think again. A deeper look into the consumer forums and social media reveals a disturbing pattern of micro reductions and sudden exclusions hitting vulnerable families. Now take the case of Amit, another policyholder on X who revealed that Star Health suddenly denied reimbursement for vital dialysis consumables at Fortis Hospital, despite paying for those same expenses in the previous months. Or look at this shocking breakdown from a Reddit user whose mother was hospitalized. Out of a total bill of 1,14,000 rupees, Star Health approved only 90,000. Where did that remaining 24,000 disappear? It was shaved off under ambiguous heads like spare parts, dietitian fees, infection control fees, and medical assessment fees, leaving a family that paid premiums for 6 consecutive years to clear the balance out of their pocket. And when these cases reach the consumer courts, the legal system often pulls up the insurance. And just recently, the East Delhi Consumer Commission ordered Star Health to pay 1,81,000 rupees with 9% interest to a patient named Anuradha Naran. The insurer had tried to reject her gastroenteritis claim by citing a 2-year exclusion clause for an unrelated incidental finding. The court made a crucial principle clear over here. The burden of proof, it relies entirely on the insurer to prove that an exclusion cause The burden of proof relies entirely on the insurer to prove that an exclusion clause actually applies to the specific treatment being received. Yet, the ultimate crisis here is one of trust. Millions of middle-class families in India buy health insurance to safeguard their hard-earned personal savings. But as Vijay Singh has pointed out, most first-time buyers focus entirely on the sum assured, completely unaware of the technical aspects, waiting periods, and complex clauses hidden deep within the fine print until an emergency hits them. Now, this leaves us with a serious question that Star Health and insurance regulators need to answer. Why are exclusion clauses being weaponized over decades-old completely resolved illness? Why is there a frequent disconnect between what network hospitals bill and what insurers actually approve? And what is being done to simplify policy wording so that everyday citizens know exactly what they are paying for? Now, Vijay Singh's battle is a loud wake-up call for the entire sector. Until there is a radical transparency and strict regulatory oversight, the difference between being covered and actually paid will continue to remain a luxury. Stay tuned to NewsX as we continue to track this story. Until then, thank you for watching.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.